The next example here, the value of determinant 1 cos beta minus alpha, cos gamma minus alpha, cos alpha minus beta 1, cos gamma minus beta, cos alpha minus gamma, cos beta minus gamma 1 is so four options are there. Okay. So in the multiplication of two determinants, okay, multiplication of two determinants, you can multiply here. There are two determinants here. I am taking same determinants here. Even there may be different determinants also. Okay, both determinants are determinant. Both determinants are different. Even in that case also, here each term equal here. So in the first case, I am multiplying row with the row here. Multiply this row with this row here. Okay. Therefore, 1 into 1 becomes 1, 2 into 2 becomes 4. Multiply this row with the second row. Second row. Therefore, 1 into 3 is a 3, and 2 4s are 8. Okay, 1 into 3 becomes a 3. Then 2 4s are 8. Similarly, you take first row, second of first determinant. Second of first determinant. Multiply this with this here. 3 1s are 3 and 4 2s are 8. Multiply second row with the second row. 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. Therefore 4 plus 1 becomes a 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 16 plus 9 is 25. Then expand it here. 5 into 25, 125 minus 11, 11s are 121 here. So subtract each other, we get 4. In the second case, multiply row with the column here. Multiply row with the column. Row with the column with the column here. I am taking column with the column here. 1 and 2 here. So multiply this column with this here. Okay, so 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Then 3 into 3 becomes 9 plus 9. Then multiply this column with the second column of a second determinant here. So 1 into 2 is a 2 here. And 3 into 4 becomes a 12. This is 12. Okay, 12 here. 2 plus 12. Okay, 1 into 1 becomes 1. 3 into 3 becomes 9. Then 1 into 3 is a 1 into 2. 1 into 2 becomes a 2 here. And 3 4s are 12. So 12. Multiply this row with this column, then write here. Okay. Then multiply this row here. This row with the first column here. 2 1s are 2 and 4 3s are 12. Multiply second row with the second column here. 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. Okay. I am repeating once again here. Multiply this column with this column, we get this one. Multiply this column with this one, we get this result. Multiply this column with this one here. Multiply this with this, we get this one here. Then simplify, you will get answer 4 here. In the third case here, I am multiplying a row with the column here. Multiply row with this column. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1 here. 2 into 3 becomes a 6 here. Multiply this row with the second column here, like this. 1 into 2 is a 2 here. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then multiply this row with the first column here. 3 into 1 becomes a 3. 4 3s are 12. Multiply this row with the column here. 3 2s are 6 and 4 4s are 16. Again simplify, get the answer 4 here. In each case here, we get the answer for. Here you are multiplying row with a row again. And here you are multiplying a column with a column. And here you are multiplying a row with a column. In each case, you will get the same answer here. Therefore, it has happened only when it is a matrix multiplication of determinants, multiplication of determinants. But in the matrix, we are using this means multiply row with the column in matrix here. But in determinant, we can use any one here. We can multiply row with the row, or column with the column, or row with the column. You will get the same answer. Okay. So here this is a given determinant here. I am writing this one as a cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos alpha minus beta. Use a compound angle formula, trigonometric formula. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Cos of alpha minus gamma. Cos alpha cos gamma plus sin alpha sin gamma. Okay. So similarly, other two columns also write like this using a compound angle formula here. So this determinant can be written as a product of two determinants here. Determinant of cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, sin alpha, sin beta, and sin gamma. And here it is a 0, 0 and 0 into determinant of so cos of alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, sin alpha, sin beta, sin of gamma. Okay. We just observe here. Multiply this row with the first row here. Multiply this first row again with the first row only. Cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, here this one. Sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. 0 into 0 becomes 0. So cos square plus sin square here. Then multiply this row with the second row here. The second row. Matrix multiplication of determinants here. So multiply this with this cos alpha cos beta. Okay, then plus sin alpha sin beta. Sin alpha sin beta. 0 to 0 becomes 0. Multiply this row with the third row here. You can multiply row with the determinants here. Cos alpha cos gamma. Cos alpha cos gamma. Sin alpha sin gamma here. Sin alpha sin gamma, and it is a 0. Next multiply this row, second row, with the first row here. Cos beta cos alpha. Cos beta cos alpha. Sin beta sin alpha. Sin beta sin alpha. Then it is a 0. Then multiply this with the second row here. Cos beta cos square beta. Sin beta sin beta. Sin square beta. 0 into 0 becomes 0. Multiply this with this row here. Cos beta cos gamma. Cos beta cos gamma. Sin beta sin gamma. Then it is a 0. Then multiply this row. Third row is the first row here. Cos gamma cos alpha. Cos gamma cos alpha plus sin alpha sin gamma. And it is a 0. Multiply this row with this row. Cos gamma into cos beta. This one. Plus sin gamma into sin beta. Okay, this one. Sin gamma into sin. Multiply this with this here. You get this here. Multiply this with this here. You get this one. Multiply this with this here. We get this one. So cos square gamma, not beta here. This is gamma. Okay, cos into cos becomes a cos square gamma, and sin gamma into sin square gamma here. Then it is a 0. Therefore, this can be written as a determinant of, okay, so cos of alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, then sin alpha, sin beta, and sin of gamma, 0, 0, 0, it's a square. It's a square. Here just observe cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, but here 0, 0, 0, here is 1, 1, but option is wrong here. In the second option, first column here, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma, but here in the second column, sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma is there. Means interchanging here third row 0, 0, 0 is there. If you interchange then this plus becomes a minus, but a square is there. Yes, so minus becomes again it is a plus only. Therefore, this equal to determinant of sin of alpha, sin beta, and sin of gamma. Then cos of alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, 0, 0, 0. It's a square. Okay, therefore second option is correct. Second option is correct. You are using here multiplication of row with row. Okay. Here I written wrong here because cos gamma, cos beta is this here, and sin gamma, sin beta. It should be beta here, not alpha. It is a beta, sin of beta. Okay, remaining steps are correct. So value of the determinant is equal to what here? First option is 1, second option sin a cos a, third option is 0, fourth option is sin x into cos x here. In this case, adding these two columns here. So C1 use here, C1 plus C2 here. Hence determinant of. In the trigonometry, there is a formula. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 into cos a into cos of b. Okay, similarly, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 into sin a into cos of b. We are using this formula here. Okay. So therefore cos x minus a plus cos x plus a, using this formula, it gives 2 into cos x cos a. Then this plus this here. Use this formula. We get 2 into sin x into cos of a. Then this term plus this term here, cos a common factor here. So cos of a is a common here. Then tan x plus cot of x here. Therefore sin of x plus a, then the sin of x minus a cos a into cot of x, then the cos x sin x cosec 2x, cosec of 2x here. Okay. Here from first column here, cos a common factor here, so write outside. Cos a keep outside here, determinant of. Even yes, cos a common factor. Even you can take 2 common here, 2 into cos a common factor. Therefore here remaining is the cos x here, cos of x, then sin x. Then you are taking 2 common factor here, hence 1 upon 2 into cot x, tan x plus cot x here. Okay, tan x plus cot of x here, because you are taking a 2 cos a power factor, so it is 1 by 2 into tan x plus the cot of x here. Remaining two columns are write as it is. Sin of x plus a, then the sin of x minus a, cos a into cot x, then cos x sin x, and cosec of 2x here. Cosec of 2x. You just simplify this one. So 1 upon 2 into, you know tan formula, tan is a sin by cos. So sin divided by cos here, then plus here. And cot of x is a cos by sin. So cos divided by sin of x here. Therefore 1 upon 2 here. Here cos into sin x is the LCM here. So cos x sin x is the LCM. Sin into sin becomes a sin square here. Then the plus cos into cos becomes a cos square x here. And you know sin square plus cos square is 1 here. And 2 into sin x cos x formula sin of 2x here. And you know 1 by sin is a cosec here. Cosec of 2x. Therefore, here this equal to 2 into cos of a into determinant of cos x, then sin x, and this is a cosec 2x here. Cosec 2x, then sin of x plus a, then sin of x minus a, cos a into cot x, then cos x sin x, and cosec of 2x. You just observe here, first and last columns are identical here, same elements are there. Hence the value of the determinant is 0, 0 into any term is 0. Therefore, here C is the correct option here, 0. If here determinant of here, because the matrix is not possible here, take here determinant here, matrix sin square alpha cos square alpha sin square alpha is equal to 0, and alpha belongs to 0, pi, then the value of alpha r. Okay. So expand it here, sin square alpha here came. So sin square alpha it's a square. Then this into this here, cos square alpha it's a square is equal to 0. Okay. Here use a square minus b square formula. You know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha into sin square alpha minus of cos square alpha, that is equal to 0. And you know sin square plus cos square is 1 here. Therefore, sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. Sin square alpha minus cos square alpha is 0. Take a cos square alpha right hand side here. Sin square alpha is equal to cos square alpha, and a cross multiplier sin square alpha divided by cos square alpha is equal to 1. Sin square upon cos square is a tan square here. Tan square alpha is equal to 1 here. Therefore, tan of alpha is equal to plus or minus 1 here. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to 1. It comes under first quadrant here. then it is a pi by 4. Alpha is equal to pi by 4. And tan of alpha is a minus 1 here. Tan is negative in the second quadrant. Hence pi minus of pi by 4. Therefore pi by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 pi minus pi gives 3 pi by 4. So pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 is the answer. So the value of theta belongs to the interval 0, pi by 2, satisfying the equation here. This is equal to 0 is. In this case, adding these two columns here. So C1 gives here C1 plus C2. So determinant of here sin square plus cos square is 1 here. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Sin square plus cos square is 1 here. Second column elements here. Cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta, then cos square theta here, then 4 sin of 4 theta, 4 sin of 4 theta here, 1 plus 4 into sin of 4 theta, that is equal to 0. Then R2 minus R1, R2 minus of R1 here, and R3 gives here R3 minus of R1 here. So therefore determinant of, so write here 2, then cos square theta, 4 sin of 4 theta. Then 2 minus 2 becomes 0. This is 0. Then this minus this here, cos square cancels, remaining is 1 here. This minus this is 0 here. Then 1 minus 2, minus of 1 here. Cos square minus cos square is 0. Then this minus this here, 4 sin 4 theta cancels, remaining is 1. That is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now we expand the determinant here. So 2 into 1 into 1 becomes 1, minus of 0 into 0 is 0. Minus of cos square theta here. 0 into 1 becomes 0, minus of minus 1 into 0 becomes 0. Then 4 sin 4 theta plus 4 into sin of 4 theta. 0 into 0 becomes 0, minus of minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1. Minus this minus plus here, plus 1. That is equal to 0. Therefore 2 ones are 2 here. So it is a 2. Then this becomes a 0. Complete this term is a 0 here. So minus of 0. Then 4 sin 4 theta into 1 becomes a 4 sin 4 theta. 4 sin of 4 theta is equal to 0. Take it to right hand side here. 4 sin 4 theta is equal to minus 2. Therefore sin 4 theta is equal to minus of 1 upon 2. Therefore sin of 4 theta is a minus 1 upon 2. Therefore you can write it as a cos of minus pi by 6 here. So sin of 4 theta is equal to cos of minus pi by 6. So there is a not a cos here, it is a sin only. Sin of pi by 6, minus pi by 6. In the PUC first year, formulas are there. If sin alpha is equal to sin of theta, sin alpha is equal to sin theta, then the general solution is alpha is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into theta. If cos of alpha is equal to cos of theta, In that case, the general solution alpha is equal to 2n pi plus or minus theta. And if tan alpha is equal to tan of theta, therefore alpha is equal to pi plus or minus theta. Okay, so these are the formulas here. Okay. So in this case, you are using this factorial sin alpha is equal to sin of theta. Therefore, alpha is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into theta. Here, this one here. Here, alpha means 4 theta here. And theta means pi by 6 use here. Okay. Therefore, general solution 4 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into theta is this minus pi by 6 here, so it is a minus of pi by 6 here, minus pi by 6. Therefore, you go on to substitute n value 1, 2, 3 and 4 small here. When n is equal to 1 here, when n is equal to 1, substitute n equal to 1 here as well as here. Okay, so 4 theta is equal to pi, and here n is equal to 1 here. So minus 1 into this minus becomes a plus here. So plus pi divided by 6 here. Therefore, this is equal to 6 LCM here. 6 into pi, 6 pi plus pi gives 7 pi. 7 pi by 6. Take this 4 right hand side here. So therefore, theta is equal to 7 pi divided by 6 4s are 24 here. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Then if you simplify this one here, 7 pi by 24, then obviously the value belongs to 0 comma pi divided by 2. Okay, 7 pi by 24 means 7 into 180 divided by 24 here. Just calculate it here. It gives something 52.2 like this. 52.2 means obviously the value in between 0 and 90 degree. Hence, 7 pi by 24 is the correct option. 7 pi divided by 24.